Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change an alternator on a Lexus GS300. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a new alternator, various wrenches, and sockets. You'll also need to clear the path to the alternator by carefully removing any parts that might be in the way, like air intake components, to give yourself enough working space. With access clear, it's time to remove the old alternator. Begin by loosening the serpentine belt tensioner, allowing you to take off the belt. Then, carefully disconnect all the electrical wiring attached to the alternator, making sure to note their positions. Finally, unbolt the mounting bolts that secure the alternator to the engine block. You might need a breaker bar for stubborn bolts. Now, let's install your new alternator. Carefully position the new unit into place and secure it with the mounting bolts, tightening them appropriately. Reconnect all the electrical connections you removed earlier, ensuring they are snug and secure. Finally, reinstall the serpentine belt, making sure it's correctly routed, and then adjust the tensioner to the manufacturer's specifications for proper belt tension. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, ensuring it's tight. Start your Lexus GS300 and observe the dashboard for any warning lights. Use a multimeter to check the charging voltage. It should be around 5 to 5 volts. Listen carefully for any unusual noises from the belt or alternator and confirm there's no belt slippage. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your alternator.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.